There's something you need to accept today. Debt is not a money problem. It's a control problem. That might sound harsh, but it's the truth that separates people who get out of debt from those who stay stuck forever. Napoleon Hill taught that everything begins in the mind, and if your mindset is disorganized, your financial life will be too. Most people live like this. They earn money. They spend without thinking. They rely on credit. They lose control. And then they panic trying to fix it. That's not lack of ability. That's lack of a system. Today, you're going to learn a real method to get out of debt. No magic. No empty promises. Just execution. You cannot fix what you don't see. Your first step is simple but powerful. Do a complete financial diagnosis. Take a paper or your phone and write down every single debt. Don't hide anything. See total amount. Do interest rate. Status, late or not. Your monthly income. Now here's the key strategy. Divide your debts into 3 groups. The small, medium, the large. This removes emotional pressure and creates clarity. Now apply this with the Snowball Method. Start by paying off the smallest debt first. Why? Because quick wins create motivation. While doing that, keep paying the minimum on the others. Once you finish one, move to the next. This creates momentum. Now comes the part most people avoid. Changing your habits. But don't panic. This is not about suffering. It's about strategy. List all your monthly expenses and divide them into essential, important, non-essential. Then immediately reduce or eliminate the non-essential ones. Examples: cancel subscriptions you don't use. Reduce food delivery. Avoid impulse buying. Cut unnecessary spending temporarily. This is not punishment. This is financial recovery mode. This step can drastically reduce your debt. Most people don't do it, and that's a mistake. Here's how to do it. Contact your creditors. Ask for discounts on full payment. Negotiate lower interest rates. Request better terms. Advance tip. Wait for special campaigns, debt settlement offers. Many companies offer huge discounts. Another powerful strategy. Do you save money before negotiating? If you offer cash up front, your negotiation power increases significantly. This step can drastically reduce your debt. Most people don't do it, and that's a mistake. Here's how to do it. Contact your creditors. Ask for discounts on full payment. Negotiate lower interest rates. Request better terms. Advance tip. Wait for special campaigns, debt settlement offers. Many companies offer huge discounts. Another powerful strategy. Do you save money before negotiating? If you offer cash up front, your negotiation power increases significantly. Now it's time to organize your payments. Simple rule. I'd never commit more than you can handle. Use this structure. 40-60% essentials. 20-30% debt repayment. Remaining, minimum reserve. Adjust if necessary, but stay consistent. Another powerful tip. Automate your payments. This prevents new delays. Avoid these and you'll progress much faster. Using credit while paying debt. Creating new installments. Ignoring your financial situation. Not tracking your expenses. Giving up halfway. These mistakes keep people trapped. If your mindset doesn't change, nothing changes. You need new habits. Track your spending. Do think before buying. Plan ahead. Focus on long-term stability. Wealth is not what you show. It's what you build silently. Here's the real secret. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency. Paying a little every month is better than trying to fix everything at once and quitting. Small daily actions create big results. If you made it this far, you already know more than most people in debt. But knowledge alone changes nothing. Action does. Start today. List your debts. Cut expenses. Increase income. Negotiate. Seize a ridiculous that's follow your plan. And remember, you are not stuck. You were just unorganized. Now you have direction. If this helped you, subscribe to High Mentality, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because one decision can change everything.